So yesterday I installed the roof rail, and today I'm going to install the crossbar. And before I install, I just want to show you this came with crossbar, and I want to mention here one is longer than the other one, and the longer one should be the one in the front. So that means this one, which is longer, should be in the front, and this should be in the back. And also it came with the bracket, two left bracket right here, put screw in, and then bracket cover on the other side. And here same for the right bracket cover and bracket. And they came with different size of screws, 8 short ones. So we need 4 on each of this bracket and 8 long ones. That's going to secure the bracket to the roof rail. So I already slide in the bracket before put on the screw, before put on the short screw. It's recommended to use the Threadlocker, the blue one, the medium. Here it's red bottle, but I see the tip. That's the blue color right here. That's the blue one. I think the red one is the permanent. We don't want the permanent one. We want the removable one. So I got this one. There are some other brand. Doesn't matter what you take. It's gonna be same. So the left side we just tie down to tie, and the right side we just put screw in and don't tie it because we need to adjust the distance. But here, you see, we need to adjust this later on when we put in. So when you fix both bracket to the rail, and then we finally tie this for screws at the end. Okay, let me put on the Threadlocker and put it on. So I already put the foam right here at the 4 position. You can see the 2 hole pre-cut hole right here for the screws, 1, 2, and the other 2 on the other 2 sides. So I'm gonna put the crossbar right on top of this, and again we put a little bit Threadlock just in case. Doesn't need to be that much, just a little bit, and put the screw in. It's a little bit tricky right now. You need to find the position. There we go. Okay, once you put the first one, it's gonna be very easy to find the second one because it's already more or less locked in the position. And again, put a little bit of the Threadlocker, not that much. Right there. Okay, so when you feel the resistance, that means it's more or less there. So at this time, I will stop here right now until I finish all the 4, and then at the end I can use torque wrench to torque to 7.4 pounds force feet. That's the unit, 7.4. So that's it for this side, and I'm going to work on the other side right here, the back side, because before we didn't tie the screw right there. You can still adjust the angle a little bit. If you tie here before, you cannot adjust the angle, so just make sure don't tie the 8 screws yet. Okay, right now I already tie all those screws, all those 8 screws attached to the rail. I already tied those, and then I'm ready to tie the screw under the crossbar. So just make sure do not tie the screw under crossbar until you fully secure the bottom one, because when you attach this bracket to the reel, it's kind of like stretch a little bit of this, so it need to move just to make sure. And then once you fully tie the screw right down there, and just put the cover in right there. Just put the cover in like so. That's it, you're done. Hello guys, yes, I just finished. It's dark already, and how to say, this O-ring, the O-ring I add messed up everything, because at O-ring the cover cannot be installed anymore, so I have to remove all the O-ring again, all the O-ring for the reel, and then put torque on the correct torque number, and then re-screw everything one more time, and then it's installed properly right there. You see, it's sealed very well. Well, if they didn't give you the O-ring, it has to be for some reason. Don't do it by yourself. Don't add, because if you add O-ring, the screw head a little bit out, so it's blocked the cover to go to the correct position. Cannot put the cover back on. Do not add O-ring. Well, my lesson. Thank you. Well, it's done. I hope you can see. I'm so sorry it's dark right now, but it looks pretty nice and pretty sturdy. I'm pretty sure it can hold 165 pounds easily. Well, I can show you again tomorrow. So here how it looks when I finish. Because of the washer problem, it took me much longer time than expected. And actually there's another model with, you don't need to install this reel, you just put a crossbar on the roof, but that model only fit 2020 and later. That's what it says in the instruction or manual. I don't want to try, so I didn't try. So for older model, this is the only one to make it work. I hope my video helped you a little bit, and you can avoid the mistake I already made. Thank you for watching.